Hey music producers! Today, we're diving into something super exciting, Ableton's new Roar device, an amazing tool for saturation and color. If you're looking to take your production game up a notch, this is the tool you need. The Roar device is a powerhouse when it comes to adding drive, modulation, and feedback to your tracks. It's packed with features that allow you to shape, distort, and color your sounds in ways that'll blow your mind. Whether you're just looking for a subtle effect or a complete sonic overhaul, Roar has you covered. Let's start with the shapers. These distortion curves are where Roar begins its magic. You've got 12 different shaping options, like soft sine, diode clipper, tube preamp, and even some wild ones like polynomial, fractal, and shards. Each curve adds its own unique flavor and artifacts to your sound. You can set these shapers in a variety of configurations: single, serial, parallel, multiband, or even mid-side processing, which opens up tons of creative possibilities. Now, the real fun begins with the modulation section. You've got 2 LFOs, an envelope follower, and a noise source, all ready to breathe life into your sound. One of the coolest things about this is the morphing control on the LFOs, allowing you to tweak and adjust classic waveforms like square, sine, and ramp into something entirely new. The modulation matrix ties everything together, letting you apply any modulation source to any control, including other modulators. This means you can get crazy cross-referencing manipulations for some truly unexpected results. But it doesn't stop there. The built-in compression is an essential feature that keeps things clean, even when the distortion gets wild. The compressor is designed to handle the dynamic range of Roar, ensuring your sound has punch and clarity while still delivering those crunchy, distorted beats. Tony, one of the lead developers, describes it as a way to destroy a signal, but still keep the kick drum clean and punchy when it hits. You get the best of both worlds, gritty and clean, all at once. Lastly, let's talk feedback. Roar offers feedback modes that can give you everything from subtle rhythmic tails to massive overdriven drones. Whether you sync it to your track or play with note feedback for musical results, the possibilities are endless. Oh, and don't forget, Ableton also offers a bunch of cool presets for Roar. These presets are perfect for getting started quickly or for sparking some inspiration. Whether you want subtle saturation or full-on distortion madness, the presets give you a solid starting point to explore everything this powerful device has to offer. You can tweak them to your liking or dive deep into customization. So, get ready to unlock new creative possibilities. Jump into Roar and take your sound design to the next level. Your tracks deserve it. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow for more tech tips and tricks. Be sure to follow at Silas Music for more content. Until next time, happy producing.